Good evening, everybody. I understand that I've made a mistake in keeping my tens of fans waiting on the edge of their seats in constant hope that one day I may release another food review, as they have taken to calling it on the internet. I'm back from my hiatus, and I will be reviewing food again, if you can call it that. But today I have a little bit of a treat for everybody. I think that you guys will enjoy this one. The food that I will be reviewing tonight has been around for at least a century, perhaps even two. There have been several wars fought over this food. Numerous tens, millions, perhaps even billions of deaths have been attributed to this food. And I'm sure, as you may have already guessed, that the food in question is gingerbread. Now, a curious aspect of gingerbread is, unbeknownst to me, this has just become my knowledge after doing a little bit of research on the topic, is gingerbread is actually very common in construction. Now, far be it from me to say what is and is not sound building material, and I realize that this demonstration may be a little bit skewed because of my enormous strength, but as you can see, these seem to break quite easily, which calls into question their functionality as structural building material. Now, whoever is able to make houses out of this gingerbread and live in them and work in said buildings, I'm not sure what exactly the express purpose of gingerbread in construction would be, but I find it quite vexing. Anyhow, moving on to the actual taste portion of the presentation. These are very good. I find gingerbread to be amazing. I've actually eaten nothing but gingerbread for the last 3 or 4 days in preparation for this video, and it seemed to work out pretty well for me. Now, my favorite beverage to enjoy with this gingerbread typically is some form of high proof grain alcohol. That's most every food, actually, though. But today I will instead be opting for the rather odd pairing of milk. Now, this is 2% milk from Giant Eagle. Tastes just like milk. Tastes good. The gingerbread goes quite well with it, actually. And an exciting development in the channel is thanks to the tens of millions of dollars donated by my patrons on Patreon. We are able to afford a food scale now, which is very exciting. So stay tuned for that in future food reviews. But gingerbread is a 6 out of 10. Thank you for viewing my presentation. I appreciate your patronage to my channel. Sit tight for the next review.